I'm going to pass it back again because I don't know that it's still recording.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Did we just kill our director?
I just punched her in the face.
Hey everybody, this is Carpool Conversations with Cole, Environmental Education Edition. Who we got in the car with us today?
I'm Skylar McElhaney.
Hi Skylar.
I'm Sarah Ivy.
Hi Sarah. Where are we going today?
To lunch, we're starting.
Lunch. Let's do some lunch.
We're very hungry.
Yes.
We're going to try a new place.
So, what do we do at DEQ?
I am the education coordinator, so I get to go out and do education.
Education coordinator.
Yeah.
She's the education coordinator who's a rock star.
A rock star. Every rose has its
Thorn.
yeah. All right, so you're environmental education coordinator.
Yes.
Skylar, how about you?
I am the assistant division director in external affairs.
So what do we do? Educate people and assist directors.
Well, our division in general deals with the public a lot and does outreach and communication for the agency. But my role in particular, I do a lot of different things. I get to work with teachers, I work with students, and we do lots of educational events, community events, conferences.
Do not hit pedestrians.
No.
So you work
Big
with
events.
like a lot of schools, I say, it sounds like with
Yes.
teachers and everything. Is there a specific program that you do with schools that you interact with those teachers with?
Yeah, as part of my job at DEQ, I get to oversee the Oklahoma Green Schools program.
Green
And-
schools?
Yeah.
Ooh,
So
that's
we-
very DEQ-like of us.
It is. So we try to take the expert knowledge within the building and outside the building to help schools become greener and healthier places to learn.
I was tasked with drawing a unicorn for my 4-year-old, and I was promptly replaced by that 4-year-old.
They get to become mini auditors, armed with clipboards and tools.
Oh, very good.
And they
Creating little mini DEQ employees.
You know,
I like it.
Yeah, little inspectors around the school. But we have 5 investigations that we use, and so they get to choose one of those to start. Time travel.
Yeah. It's my second job. First job is carpooling, second job is time travel.
The thing about the Green Schools program is that it's not just about engaging students to learn about science in a fun and exciting way, but it also helps the school. It helps the school save money.
Oh, so they actually implement these stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of
They actually
times-
implement the stuff.
Yeah, a lot of times the students will find some pretty big problem areas within the school, and they're able to make recommendations.
So it sounds like it's a pretty all-encompassing program. How does, I guess you work with the teachers, how does the teacher or school system get signed up for this?
Yeah, it's a free program, and we just, again...
Free! Look at
Yay,
DEQ
free!
giving more free stuff. That's awesome.
Yeah, so we just want to help schools, again, become greener and healthier, and then I can come out and help them form a green team to get going at their school.
So I'm not gonna hit people, which is a good thing.
Thank you for that.
Yes.
Thank you.
And no running at stop signs. Well, speaking of kids, it is now time for Rapid Fire Kids Movie Edition.
Oh,
Ooh.
okay.
We all know my love of Disney movies, so fresh off the bat, you say first one that comes to mind, okay? 2 options, Frozen or Mulan.
Mulan.
Frozen.
Okay, all right, that's the toughest one for me. Lion King, Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid.
Lion King.
Okay. Aladdin or Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Toy Story 1, 2, 3, 4.
All
Come on,
encompassing.
man.
All encompassing. How about 4? They got this scary
I'm going
dolls. Ooh. Aladdin, good choice.
Yeah.
Cars or Monsters Inc. Are we a fan of Sully or the Lightning
Yeah,
McQueen?
These are hard.
They are hard.
I
I
love
know. Cars.
My son's a big Cars fan.
I think Sarah and I have gone
Yeah, I think we're complete opposites.
Complete opposites. That works. That's what balances it out. Incredibles or Finding Nemo or Dory.
Finding Nemo.
Incredibles. Sorry, Skylar.
Okay.
So DEQ is a sponsor of several big activities every year. You want to talk about any of those? some of the ones we do.
We do H2 Oklahoma. We do Science Fest. We are heavily involved with the wildlife department at
The Wildlife
Wildlife Expo?
Yeah. So there is one activity station called Rain Sticks where they're making with a cardboard tube and rice and stuff.
Oh,
and it sounds like
turn it over.
rain. Yeah.
I like that.
Really cool activity. We did have to rein that in a little bit a few years ago because some of the kids were using them as swords.
Well, we're here at lunch.
Yay, I'm hungry.
Yes. Hank's going with some slow jams. What is your?
Not hit anybody.
I'm gonna try to avoid that.
Yeah.
Please do.
As a general rule.
We have a really awesome license plate tag grant.
A tag grant. Okay. What is that?
Well, you may have seen that. We actually have 2 new license plate designs that just recently became available. One is our Buffalo. One is the Oklahoma sunset over
some flowers. I like.
We've had a lot of really cool projects in the past.
Yes.
That focus a lot on outdoor classrooms. We've had greenhouses. We've had rain barrel requests. All kinds of really awesome.
So these
projects.
license plates, the money that is generated from those goes to the schools?
Yes. $20 of it.
We should definitely get some more of those out on the road then.
Absolutely.
Some more cool projects. I drive and talk. That's about all I got.
What's your favorite kind of music, Sarah?
Oh.
Clearly it's Hank.
Yeah, I mean, I like some country, but I'm a product of the 90s, so.
I think the 90s, so like the gangster rap 90s?
Yeah, you know. Eminem.
And Reba. Oh yeah, my wife would not forgive me if I did not mention Reba. Yes.
Well, all the Oklahoma favorites, you know, Garth.
Best concert I've ever been to.
Love
Garth. Oklahoma's awesome.
Oklahoma rocks, yeah.
Yes. Where we go to high school?
Well, I'm not from Oklahoma originally, so I went to a
like
Catholic high
Canada?
school in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Catholic high school, okay.
St. Pius.
St. Pius?
Sartans.
The Sartans?
Yes.
What's a Sartan?
A follower of St. Pius X.
Edmond North.
Oh, was that the Wolves,
That was
the Huskies, the Bulldogs?
God, not the Wolves. That was another.
Sorry,
high
I'm
school.
crossing battle lines at that point.
right.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Do we have a fight song, Edmund?
I'm sure we did.
Oh, I'm trying to pull it
It's
out.
been a minute.
All right, college then.
UCO.
Broncho.
And
Broncho.
I was still in Albuquerque, so
Albuquerque.
Lobos. Everyone's a Lobo.
Lobo.
Yep.
Is that like a wolf?
Yeah.
Like wolf pack?
That's the Lobo.
Yes.
The Lobo.
The Lobos. I prefer pistols firing. Where do you two rock stars prefer to go on vacation?
Like I said, we're a big fan of like national parks.
National parks?
So that third vehicle I talked about is actually an old Winnebago that we drag our kids around.
You're like the Griswolds.
Yeah, totally.
Yes.
Yep.
What is the furthest you've ever been from your designated living residence? Since we're from Albuquerque, you may have like ventured beyond the sun or something.
No, not beyond the. I burn really easily, so.
This has been Carpool Conversations with Cole.